What's up guys, welcome back to our channel Trading Basics. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna learn how to create a watch list on investigating.com. So let's get started guys. So firstly just go to your investigating.com app or your website and then log in with your account. Then what you do is on your top you'll be having those options which says my watch list, crypto news and everything else. So just go to my watch list and then over here you'll find this plus button which will help you to create a new portfolio. Just press over here and then enter the watch list name. So let me just give a random name, let's say star, and then create, and it will create. Now you have to type those particular stocks or anything that you want to have in your watch list. So let me just go with Tesla first and just tap on it and it will be over here. Likewise you can go with anything else, let's say Bitcoin, and then it will be over here. So that's how you create guys. So that's pretty much. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. And also comment for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.